What's up guys, my name is Marcel, welcome to my YouTube channel One Dapper Street. Today, as it's getting really hot outside, we're gonna focus on shorts. Shorts can be, I feel like, a little bit overlooked in the sense that yes, guys will wear them, but they don't really invest time to find like dope ones that really go with their style, that are standout, that actually elevate their outfits. So hopefully one of the 10 shorts that I got for you today is gonna help you up your style game this summer when it comes to shorts. Without further ado, let's get started with one of my favorites, a nice chocolate brown pair of linen shorts that are somewhat of a medium fit, so not too relaxed but not too slim. Over the last few seasons it's changed from very slim to a bit more relaxed just in general, but these are nice, hitting right above the knee, beautiful color. These are from Abercrombie at a fairly reasonable price point, I think. Linen is an excellent summer fabric, so the shorts themselves are already going to be breezy. The linen fabric is going to keep you even cooler, and they're a nice option to put together a more dressed up outfit. Another summer favorite of mine and of many people out there is a seersucker fabric. Same thing, these shorts are in the budget realm of things, so these are very affordable. These are from Free Assembly. Simple, very classic, that white and blue combination for the seersucker fabric, but then we have a little bit of interest added here just because of the way that these shorts are cut and sewn back together. So we have a little bit of a contrasting pattern here with the stripes of the seersucker fabric. Really nice, lightweight, great short for the summer, a bit more relaxed, so nice for the more relaxed fits. Now the rest of the video is going to lean a little bit more towards the street style side of things. These are a happy medium between the more casual options that we just looked at and what we're about to look at afterwards. These are from Descendants of Thieves. They're a little bit longer, hitting just above the knee once again, but like a little bit lower, like at this point, you know, that general area, you see it on the B-roll. Nice navy color, and then we got a couple of pocket details. On the left, it's on the side, a little smaller. On the right, it's on the front and a large cargo pocket. Here we have that brass detail in the button that we also have here at the waist. And these fit amazingly. They're nice and snug around the waist. If they're too loose for you, you have the option to adjust these up here with a little elastic pull. These, I think, are amazing. They can work for more streetwear outfits. They can work for more dressed up outfits. We've got a nice flat front right here, and I just really like them. They're not the cheapest, but really worth the investment. So much so that I actually got like two very similar shorts and at the same time very different shorts. So these are also from Descendants of Thieves. We still have that pull top here on the side. We don't have the cargo pockets, but we have an accentuated piping here or along these pockets on the left as well as the right. Then we have a single pleat on both sides, which makes the shorts just intrinsically a lot more interesting. And then of course, here we have that printed pattern, the color combination of a few different shades of darker green. I think these are amazing. I love my earth tones throughout the year, also in the summer, and this is a very nice key piece, a standout piece that can help keep you cool because it's shorts, right? But also are very stylish and versatile. Now, like I said, a bit more streetwear. These are from Kith, light blue, a bit shorter now, but a bit more relaxed, and the fabric is super soft, super light. An excellent choice for the summer. This actually comes as a set, so if you like this color blue and you want to wear it with a nice Cuban collar, I think it's a Cuban collar. I didn't end up getting the shirt, but I think it's a Cuban color button-through shirt that comes with it. Excellent summer combo, and this is just really nice for streetwear. Like, you pop these on, you got a little bit of color in there. It's in the realm of denim, like the denim blue. So to me, this color itself is very versatile. And yes, they're a bit more relaxed, but they still can work for more sleek outfits as well. Then of course, the big one this season, basketball/mesh shorts. Here we have another one from Kith. What I love about these is the colors they used and how they use them. So we have that off-white stone color, then we have that pure white, and we have the tan right here. A couple of drawstrings also in that off-white color. Beautifully combined in this like diagonal pattern that I think makes these incredible. Definitely a lot more street style now. I would have a hard time styling these, like dressing these up, but a beautiful piece. And yeah, I think, you know, a reasonable value for the fact that you get a brand name like Kith within the streetwear side of things. A very big name, beautifully designed, and great quality. A tad bit more affordable from Abercrombie. These much more simple mesh shorts. They're a bit more lightweight. The ones I just showed are actually fairly heavy, but they're short, so it's not that important, I would argue. These are still significantly lighter. Here we have them in navy with a white stripe and a dark green rim on that stripe. On my legs, we've got the same shorts, just in tan with black and white. So these are an excellent staple that still allow you to keep this a little bit more elevated if you want to do that, just because they're a solid color. You can easily style this with button-down shirts in a way that actually makes sense. Stay tuned for my video on mesh/basketball shorts soon. Anyway, I think it's the next video that's coming up, so you guys, if you're not subscribed yet, change that. If you want to see that video, turn on a notification so you're one of the first people to actually see how I would style these, and the other ones that I'm showing you. Last but not least, we got a more designer slash luxury option. These are from John Elliott, and for the fact that they're just mesh shorts, they're actually pretty pricey, but I absolutely do love these. Simple off-white color as the base, the drawstrings are black, and then we have a couple of patches on here in blue, in green, and then this Japanese saying. Anybody that's watching that knows Japanese, please let me know what it says right here. I hope it's something cool. I did take Japanese for a year in college, but trust, it's not enough for this. I really like these because they're simple, but then they're still interesting. It gives you a couple of colors to play with if you do want to integrate them into the rest of your outfit, like that green, which is a little much. Like if I think anything else in that green color, it might get a little crazy, but the blue specifically allows you to integrate other blue pieces together with this in one outfit fairly easily. Then we got this cargo pant option, a bit more on the tech side, still streetwear, a bit more relaxed. We got a few pockets. I always love pockets. I think pockets are a really nice way to just elevate or make a simple piece a lot more interesting. This would just be a simple pair of olive green shorts that's, yeah, it's got an interesting fit, but the pockets really make it. So we got two larger ones, actually, sorry, one large one, two small ones, the size of the large one, and then two more small ones right here. I wouldn't put anything in there because that would probably mess with the aesthetic, but I still like that just as part of the design. And then last but not least, we got these Hoochie Daddy shorts. Short shorts, a little bit cut upwards even, so if you got those thighs that you want to show off, this is how you do it. These are from Zara in collaboration with RHU, redesigning human uniform. The collab collection that they currently have in store was in the store in Soho, saw these, wanted to try this style of short out. And I do like these a lot. I'm excited to see how it's gonna integrate into my wardrobe. So if you wanna see how I style these, stay tuned. I'm sure there's gonna be a couple of videos that feature these shorts. And that is it. 10 of my favorite shorts that I'm excited to wear this spring, summer season. Hopefully that helped you at least to see the variety of things there are. Like I said, the mesh slash basketball shorts video is coming up soon if you need a little bit of style inspiration when it comes to that. If you want to see me just style these shorts more, sub to the channel. Like I said, these are 10 of my favorite pieces, so you'll be seeing a lot of outfits with them. You may already have seen a couple of outfits, seen a couple of these pieces because I've already worn a lot of them. So please let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you have any questions, let me know down there as well. And then make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications, and then I'll see you guys very soon with the next video. Until then, as always, stay dapper. Bye y'all.